That's ekyo ni kirungi. Kale katutandike. Yesterday turentureba hari I think ebigambo ebi nokibyijuka.
Yes.
So now katuza habindi. These ones they are verbs, so we use them in sentences or to mean some things. We have like kugura. Kugura is to buy. Is to buy. So to buy. So if you want to buy like maybe you want to buy land, so you can say ninza kugura itaka. That means I'm going to buy land. Ninza kugura itaka. I'm going to buy land. You can say ninza kugura motoka. I'm going to buy a car. Ninza kugura enju. I'm going to buy a house. Itaka means land. I'm going to buy land. Let me ask you, if I want to say that I want to buy land, how do I say it? I want to buy land. That one is ninyenda. It becomes ninyenda kugura itaka. That is, I want to buy land. I want to buy land. This one is I'm going to buy land. Yes. Tikura no gamba mpora.
Really?
No gamba mpora.
Now you can hear.
I'm hearing you. So we have kuguza. Kuguza is say to lend. That is if you want to say kuguze sente, but to kuguza also means to sell. So it means two things: to lend money or to sell a property. To sell. So kuguza, if I want to say
Do you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay, that's good.
If I say ninyenda kuguza.
So you were telling me about?
I was telling you about
Kuguza?
Kuguza is to sell.
Kuguza is to sell.
Yeah.
Okay.
In terms of property. Or
Okay.
ninyenda kuguza itaka. That means I want to sell land. So it follows the same spelling and writing like the one of kugura.
Neza kuguza itaka.
To sell. So ninza kuguza itaka.
Okay.
Or you can say ninyenda kuguza emyenda. I want to sell clothes. Ninyenda kuguza enju. I want to sell the house.
Ninyenda kuguza.
And this kuguza can also mean kutunda. Kutunda. So the selling is all the same. Kutunda and kuguza. They are all the same. They are used on different occasions, but they mean the same thing. If you say ninza kutunda itaka, meaning I'm going to sell land. Ninyenda kutunda itaka, I want to sell land. So kutunda is the same as to kuguza.
Okay.
Then kureba is to see. Ninyenda kureba, I want to see you.
Okay. Ninyenda kureba. What of if you want to ask, do you see me?
Nondeba.
Nondeba. Okay.
Then if you want to say, have you seen me? Wandeba.
Wandeba.
Then I will say ninkureba. I'm seeing you.
Okay.
I'm seeing you. Ninkureba. Ninkureba.
Okay.
Then kushava. That is to ask for or to pray. Ninkushava oije.
Ninkushava oije.
I ask you to come or I request you. But to ask, to request is ninkweshenjereza. So we can kushava is to ask.
Ninkwetenjereza.
Ninkweshenjereza. Okweshenjereza means to request.
Kweshenjereza. How you write this kweshenjereza?
Let me write it for you. Kweshenjereza. Kweshenjereza. This one means
is to what?
To request.
To request.
So it is a polite way of ninkweshenjereza, or I'm begging you, I'm requesting you. It is the politeness of polite way of asking.
Okay.
Kweshenjereza. Nitukweshenjereza, we beg you. Na ninkweshenjereza, I am begging you or I am requesting you.
Okay.
But if you know you don't want to question Gereza, then you ngoshava ni kushava. So
Okay.
then we have kureta. I think this one you know it. Kureta is to bring. We had this did sometime. If I
Yes.
say leta mizi, I say bring water. Letenku, bring firewood. Then ruga. Kuruga is to come from. I think we had the
Kuruga.
is to come from or out, to come
This
out.
word's so confusing me.
To come from. If I
To
ask
come
you,
from, like,
if I say norugahi,
you're asking me where I am from, where am I coming from, kind
yes,
of.
norugahi. So kuruga is norugahi. I may be meaning where your home is. But if I know where your home is, like if I meet a new person and I ask him that norugahi, I may be meaning that where is your home area. But if you are friends and you very well know where your friend comes from, and then you ask him norugahi, you are asking, you are meaning where are you coming from?
Okay.
Where are you coming from? Norugahi. Then okwika. This is to reach.
Okwika.
So you can say nahika,
To reach.
nahikumka. What does it mean? I've reached home.
I reached home.
Nahikumka tare.
Okwika.
Nahikumka tare. I've reached in the market. Nahikumunju. I've reached in the house. Then we have kurindaho. This word can also be used alone. If I say rindaho, I'm meaning wait. If I say rindaho kachi, I'm meaning wait a bit. Wait just a small time. Rindaho kachi. Rindaho kachi. Rindaho kachi. That means wait
a little.
Wait a moment. Just a small moment. If I say rindaho kachi nije, that means wait a moment, I come.
Okay.
That is it. When you want to say rindaho, if you want to tell people that you wait a bit, murindeho. Murindeho kache nije. There, when you're telling people, this a becomes a. Then you tell them murindeho kache nije. Wait a bit and I come. Especially when you are handling people, you will have to tell them that they wait, because people may tend to be impatient. abantu niba batakwenda kurindaho, abantu nibaba batakwenda kurindaho,
abantu nibaba batakwenda kurindaho.
abantu niba batakwenda kurindaho. That means people don't want to wait. This is abantu, sorry. Abantu.
Okay.
Abantu niba batakwenda kurindaho. People don't want to wait a bit. So you are
abantu niba batakwenda kurindaho.
People always don't want to wait. So occasionally noine kubagambira murindeho kake. That wait, wait a bit.
Okay.
Then we go to kuha. Kuha means to give. Kuha means to give. If I say ninza kwente, that means I'm going to give you a cow.
A cow.
Ninza kwa emyenda, I'm going to give you clothes. If I say nakwa, nakwente, that means I've given you a cow. Nakwente, I'm telling you directly that I've given you a cow. Nakwenju, I've given you a house.
Okay.
So kwa is meaning to give. Then somebody can say wamhachi. Wamhachi. You remember this chi?
Yes, what have you given her?
What have you given her? What have you given him? Wamhachi.
Wamhachi.
Or
okay.
Wampachi. That means what have you given me?
Wampachi.
Wampachi. That means this mu means me. Wampachi. What have you given me?
Okay.
Then we have kusigaza. Kusigaza is to remain with.
What's kusigaza?
Kusigaza, to remain with. Remain with.
Okay. To remain with.
Kusigaza. Nasigaza enti ibiri. If you say nasigaza ente ibiri, that means I have remained with.
I've remained with 2 cows.
Yes. Nasigaza.
Nasigaza oburo buke.
Oburo buke. I've remained with less millet. Less audito millet. Yeah, that's you're good. You're picking up very fast. Then we have kugumisiriza. Kugumisiriza is to be patient. To be patient. That's why you hear people called the.
Thank you.
Gumisiriza. You hear people called the gumisiriza. So this is an indirect way of saying patience. That is gumisiriza. Be patient.
Gumisiriza.
ninza kugumisiriza. I will be patient. I'm going to be patient. Ninza kugumisiriza.
Serious.
And maybe somebody was, maybe, let me see, ngumisirizaho kake. That means be patient with me.
Wait.
Ngumisirizaho kake. Ngumisirizaho kake. You are telling that person, be patient with me for a little time. That is ngumisirizaho kake.
Okay.
Then we have kupima. Kupima is to measure.
Pima.
I think we had seen it, that it is a word kupima, that is to measure. If I say, how do I say, measure for me 5 liters of no, measure for me 5 kilograms of beans. Measure for me 5 kilograms of beans. That means kupima. If you are applying it, it will now, this will change to, it will be mpimira.
Mpimira.
Kilo itano z'ebihimba. So this becomes, is replaced by these 3 words, and there it means measure for me 5 kgs of beans. Mpimira lita itano z'amate. That means measure for me 5 liters of milk. If I say mpimira mpimira mita ina z'omwenda.
Measure for me 4 meters of cloth.
Yes, that's good. Then kutora. Kutora is to take away. Kutora, or it can be kutwara. They all mean the same thing. Kutora, kutwara. If I want to say subtract, take away, then I'll say toraho.
Torahemwe.
Torahemwe. Take away 1.
Okay.
So it can be the same as if I say twaraho emwe. It is the same. To take away 1.
Okay.
Then we have kugaruka. Kugaruka is return, to return.
These words are confusing me. Kugaruka and norogahi. And garukai.
Kugaruka is to return. If I say garuka, I'm meaning return. Garuka means return. If maybe a person has gone and you want to say that come back, then you say garuka.
Garuka.
Is return or come back.
Okay.
So it is different from this one of
Kuruga.
Of kuruga. Kuruga is coming from. So it is different from garuka.
Kugaruka.
Kugaruka. That is to return or to come back. If I say nagaruka,
Okay.
that means I have come back. Ningaruka, I am coming back. Or I'm returning. Then we have kutura. This kutura is to live somewhere. If I ask you noturahi, I'm asking where do you live?
Tura
is to live. Noturahi, where do you live?
Noturahi.
Then if I say noturahi, I'm meaning where do you live, because he is where do you live? Then you can say nintura omtawni, I'm living in the town. If you say nintura mucharo, what do I mean?
Nintura village.
Yeah.
I live in the village.
I live in the village.
Okay.
Then kusera, this is to overcharge. If you say one sera, you're telling a person that one means you. That means you have overcharged me.
Charge.
That is one sera. And if you want to tell the person that don't overcharge me, you say otansera.
Tansera.
Don't overcharge me.
Okay.
Kujira, this is to say.
Kujira.
Wajirota, if I say wajirota, that means
Wajirota. What did you say?
What did you say? Wajirota, what did you say? Then wajirota, then you can say najira ngu oije. I have said that. I've said that.
Come.
I've said that you come. Najira ngu oije. I've said that you come. We are going to see this ngu. Ngu means that. Like when you are reporting that that you. Nagira ngu oize.
Okay.
I've said that you come.
Jiramushi.
Yagira ngu ogende. He has said that you go. So kugira is to say.
Okay.
Kugira is to say. It has a connection with kugamba. Though kugamba is to speak. It has some connection. Then you have kushushana. Turukura is
Shushana.
kushushana.
Sounds good. Shushana.
Noshana omujungu. If I say that, that means you look like noshana omujungu. That means you look like a white
person.
A white person.
Noshana
omujungu. So kushana numushana. If I want to say that you look alike, I say ni mushu shana. That means you look alike.
Nimu shana.
You look alike.
Okay.
Nishana niwe. That means I look like you. If you say nishu shana niwe, that means I look like you. I look like you.
Okay.
I look like you. Then if you say noshana kamaraika, that means you look like an angel. An angel, we call it maraika, the same thing. Then we have kuyamba.
Okay.
Kuyamba is to help. Do you remember when we said if I want to say that help me?
Nyambaho.
Nyambaho. Help me. Then we have kuongera. To add on.
Kuongera.
If you say nyongeraho. Nyongeraho emboga. If I say nyongeraho emboga, that means I'm saying add me sauce. Add me sauce. Nyongeraho omucheri. Add me posho. Add me rice. Kongera. Nyongeraho emboga. So if I say yongera ahanku, I mean add on the firewood.
Yongera ahanku.
Add on the firewood.
Yongera ahanku. What's ahanku?
Enku means firewood. Aha means on. So if I say yongera hanku, though there we neglect the e, so I'm meaning to the person that add on the firewood. Or I can say yongera ahashukari. Maybe you went to buy sugar, but this person has given you 2 kilograms, but you want him to add you, so you say yongera ahashukari. Or maybe he was measuring and he has
yongera ahashukari.
Yongera habitoke, yongera habantu. If you want many people and telling a person to add on more people, yongera ahabantu.
Yongera habantu.
Add on the people. Add on the number of people.
Okay.
Then we have kushara.
Kushara.
Yes. Kushara, that is to cut. To cut or to reduce.
Kushara.
If I say ninza kushara, umuti. That means I'm going to cut the tree. Ninza kushara omugati. What do I mean?
I'm going to cut the bread.
Yes. Then if I'm beginning and I say that shara ahabei, I'm meaning reduce on the price. Reduce on the price. Shara ahabei. Reduce on the price. Shara ahashukari. Reduce on the sugar.
Okay.
So actually the opposite of kuongera is kushara, if it is in terms of commodities.
Ongera. Okay.
Then we have kuvuga. You remember, to drive, to ride, or to steer.
To drive.
We have kushakara.
Kushakara.
That is to roof.
To roof?
Or to thatch.
Kushakara.
Kushakarenju. If I talk of kushakara enju, that means to roof the house.
Kushakara.
Kushakara enju. Shakara.
Shakarenju. Ninza kushakarenju yanje.
Ninza kushakarenju yanje. I'm going to roof my house. Ninza kushakara ekiyungu kyanje. Ekiyungu is a kitchen. I'm going to roof my kitchen.
Okay.
Then we have kubara. Kubara is to count.
Kubara.
To count. That one, no? You can say okubara. And by the way, okubara. Okubara means mathematics. Mathematics as a subject, we call it okubara. Because it involves the counting. So it is okubara. That is mathematics. If I say bara esente, counting,
bara esente,
count the money.
Okay.
Bara bantu, count the people.
The people.
Bara emyenda, count the clothes.
Okay.
If I want to say, have you counted them? Wababara.
Wababara.
Have you counted them? That is if I'm meaning people.
Okay.
If I'm asking whether I've counted money, I say wazubara.
Wazibara.
That one, now they become Z. It becomes Z because it is money. Wazubare sente. Wababara bantu. Wazubare mbuzi. Wazubara ente. I'm asking, have you counted the cows? Have you counted the money? But if they are people, it is wababara bantu. Wababara. Have you counted them? Then we have kumanya. That is to know.
Kumanya.
Ninyenda kumanya. I want to know.
Ninyenda kumanya.
I want to know. If I say ninyenda kumanya Runyankore.
Ninyenda kumanya Runyankore.
What does it mean?
I want to know Runyankore.
Nikumanyisa ki? Ninyenda kumanya Runyankore. I want to know Runyankore. Ninyenda kumanya okubara. I want to know mathematics.
Ninyenda kumanya ebei ya shukari.
Yes, I want to know the price of sugar. Then we have kubasa. That is to be able.
To be able.
To be able. If I say nabasa, nabasa means he is able. He or she is able. Nabasa.
To be able.
If I say noza kubasa,
will you be able?
Noza kubasa, I am telling you that you will be able. Then if I put a comma, it will be, will you be able?
Able.
If I say
Nimbasa is what?
Nimbasa,
You be able?
I will be able. Oh, I am able. Nimbasa. Nimbasa, I'm able. Ninza kubasa, I will be able.
I will be.
Nimbasa. I am able. Navasa, he is able. Kwegesa, that is to teach. And by the way, a teacher.
They told me Novasa.
Novasa. Novasa means are you able? If I don't put as a question mark, if I say Novasa, if I tell you that Novasa, that means I've told you you are able. But if I put a question mark, I'll be asking you. And if I say Novasa, I'm saying you are able.
Novasa.
If I say Noza Kuvasa, I'm just putting it in the future. Noza Kuvasa.
You'll be able.
You will be able. Noza Kuvasa. Noza Kumanya. You will know. Nimbasa. I am able.
Okay.
Navasa is able. That's why you find people called Navasa. You find people called Avasa. Then we have Kwegesa. Kwegesa. If I say Omwegesa, Omwegesa means a teacher or Opushomesa.
Kwegesa.
Omwegesa is a teacher.
Teach.
So Kwegesa is to teach. Same as the Okushomesa. It is the same thing. Then if I want to say that teach me, I say Nyegesa.
Nyegesa.
Teach me. Nyegesa.
Nyegesa.
Nyegesa. Nyegesa.
Nyegesa.
Then if I want to say that you
Noza kunyegesa.
Noza kunyegesa. Will you teach me? If I say teach him, I say Mwegese. Mwegese. Then I say teach him. Or her.
Mwegese.
Kwega. This word kwega, you see it is almost the same. Kwega is to learn. Kwega is to learn. And I can say, if I say I'm going to learn, I say Ninza kwega. That means I'm going to learn. Now if I want to say that I'm learning, I say Ninyega Runyankore. That means I'm learning
Ninyega.
Runyankore. Ninyego Runyankore.
Ninyega Runyankore. Ninyega Runyankore.
Ninyega
Ninyegesa.
Ninyego kubazira. What do I mean? Ninyego kubazira. That means
kubazira.
I'm learning. Ukubazira means to sew clothes. We saw omubazizi, that is a tailor. If I say ninyego kubazira, that means I'm learning how to sew clothes, to tailor clothes, or to make clothes. Ninyega chi ninyego kuteka. I'm learning how to cook.
Ninyego kubazira. Kubazira is to sew or what?
To sew. When you are using a sewing machine, we call it okubazira. Sewing machine, I mean. Like making clothes, that is called okubazira.
Ninyego kubazira. Ninyega. What to cook?
Ninyego kuteka.
Yes, ninyego kuteka.
I'm learning how to cook. Ninyega. Ninyega obushaho. Ninyega obushaho. That means obushaho. Actually, in Runyankore, obushaho means medicine.
Medicine.
I'm learning medicine. Ninyego obushaho.
Ninyego obushaho.
I'm learning medicine. Ninyega okukanika. Okukanika. That means I'm learning ninyego okukanika emotoka. I'm learning how to repair. Okukanika is to repair. I'm learning how to repair cars.
Okay.
So this word kwega, you have now learned how to use it. Then we have kukolesa ninga si kukozesa.
Kukolesa.
That is to use.
Kukozesa.
If I say wakolesa chi.
Wakolesa chi. What do you use?
Wakolesa chi, what have you used?
Kukole.
What have you used? Wakolesa chi.
Wakozesa chi.
Yes, wakolesa chi, wakozesa chi, they are all the same. Then you can say nakolesa. You can say nakolesa. Nakolesa chi. Wakozesa chi okulya. Wakozesa chi okugenda.
Nakolesa ekijiko okulya.
Yes. If I say wakozesa chi okugenda, you can say nakozesa emotoka. Nakozesa egaari y'omwika. Egaari y'omwika. What have I've used a train. Whereas a train we call it egaari y'omwika. Which you the people of the in Swahili is called the gari moshi.
Yeah.
Gari moshi. Now for us in Runyankore, moshi means omwika. That is smoke. That is a train. Nakozesa egaari y'omwika. Nakozesa basi. I've used a bus. Then we have kwikiriza. Kwikiriza is to accept or to believe. Yeah. Kwikiriza is to accept or to believe, and then if you put okwikiriza, okwikiriza means faith. Okwikiriza. Hello. That is okwikiriza. That is faith. But kwikiriza, ikiriza. If I say ikiriza tugende, what do I mean here? Ikiriza tugende.
Except we go. What's this?
That's good. Ikiriza tugende. Accept and we go.
Ikiriza, kwikiriza.
Then we go hati. These are other words that we shall find in some sentences. If I say hati, nija hati. If I say naija hati, that means I have come today. Nija hati.
Nija hati.
That means I have come today. If I say nija hati, that means I'm coming today. Nija hati. I'm coming today. Or I'm coming now.
Okay.
Then butosha is always. Then we have bwanyuma. If I say bwanyuma y'obusasi.
Bwanyuma y'obusasi.
Bwanyuma y'obusasi.
Bwanyuma y'obusasi. What's this?
That is after pain. After pain or
after pain.
After suffering.
Wow.
Bwanyuma y'obusasi. We have a song that bwanyuma y'obusasi hariyo abaho obusinge. That means after pain there will be peace.
Bwanyuma y'obusaasi hariyo abaho obusinge.
Let me make it down. Bwanyuma y'obusaasi hariyo abaho obusinge. Bwanyuma y'obusaasi hariyo abaho obusinge. That means after pain or after suffering there will be peace. Can mean
Okay.
There will
Bwanyuma
be
y'obusinge
after
hariyo abaho obusinge.
after suffering there will be peace.
Bwanyuma y'obusaasi hariyo abaho obusinge. Really?
It is an encouraging statement. Bwanyuma y'obusaasi hariyo abaho obusinge.
Yeah.
Hona is even or
Even?
then if you say hona mazima, that is if you are regretting, if you are, maybe somebody has done something which you are regretting. Hona mazima, you are telling that person, even you truly. But this hona can mean the whole thing. Hona. If a person shows you like a garden, mpahinge hona, that means he is telling you, and then you say mpahinge hona is asking you, should I dig the whole part? We have hona, then we have yona, then we have biona. If I say enriona, that means the whole house. Ebintu byona, all the things. So these words can be used. Ahantu hona. Meaning the whole place. That is when I'm saying it can also mean whole. Ahantu hona. Enriona. The whole house. Ebintu byona. Then we have bona. Bona now applies to people. Abantu bona. Abantu bona, I'm meaning abantu bona. If I say abantu bona, I'm meaning all people.
Okay.
Abantu bona. Then you have zonka. Zonka is only.
All people.
Shiringi itano zonka. Ente zonka only. Cows.
Zonka.
Yeah, zonka means only. shilingi 5 zonka, that means 5 shillings only. Ahabwekyo, therefore, or you can say nahabwekyo, therefore, nahabwekyo.
Let's ahabwekyo.
Nahabwekyo, ahabwekyo, they are all the same.
Ahabwekyo.
Nahabwekyo kanjende, therefore let me go. So we are going to stop here. Nituza kuhereza.
Okay. Nituza kuhereza.
Nituza kuhereza. Kuhereza. Aha. Let us stop here. Nituza kuhereza. We are going to stop here.
Here, okay.
Or I may say, katuheze. Let us stop. Let us finish.
Katuheze.
Katuheze. Katuheze. Okay, obusinje. Bube niwe.
Niwe bube niwe. Thank you so much for today.
Welcome.
What is thank you so much for today? How can you phrase it?
Webare ahabweri izuba.
Webare ahabweri izuba. Good one. Okay, bye.
Tureba ni nyinshi kare.